Hey guys, welcome in. We're out here with Master Plan Homes doing another beautiful home out here on Route 7 in Market Street. Right now we're taking a look at our arch cased openings. Come take a look. So at Baird Brothers, we're willing to offer to come out to the house. We're gonna take the opportunity now to basically show you guys just a quick a process on how we do layout a cased opening.
So we start with the wood structure. Donnie, we've got 5.5 inches. And Paul said we're gonna have 5/8 drywall on either side, so you gotta allow for that, okay? And then in order to do what appears to be a half circle, we're gonna capture some dimensions. They're gonna be shimming this product out. So we're gonna take what's here, and if we have to adjust it through engineering to make it symmetrical, we will. So this dimension here from the floor up to where the radius starts, on the right side, we're looking at about 88 inches. You want to take the same dimension on the other side, and if you look here, you'll see it's a little choppy. And this is what I'm talking about on how we'll just clean it up through the engineering process. Width-wise, we'll check it in a few areas. Probably want to go with the narrowest dimension. We want to get that center point. Now, as we go through the house, as long as they're width and height-wise about the same, then we're just going to use that and make it uniform so that there's not a particular one that has to go somewhere. It gets put in the wrong place and it throws everything off.
Another part of the house for us is going to be the office or the study. Lots of wide trims, lots of wide panel moldings. While we're here, we're going to go ahead and try to get this laid out with Paul from Master Plan to see if we can't get this laid out correctly.
We've got these beams that, and they're about 5.5 inches.
So with this room, you have a bunch of different profiles that really make this room up. There's going to be a base that ties into a crown profile, that ties into a wider paneling molding profile. There's also going to be a coffered ceiling, which is a formal ceiling for us. Are you guys trying to see what you're going to stack the crown off of the base, or is that?
Yeah, so this will be the baseboard that circles the room, and then, as can happen quite often, you use that profile for something else. So this is going to be used in the coffer detail. So this will be placed on the ceiling, and then the cove mold will be introduced, something like that, up in the boxes, as shown in the rendition from the architect.
So with this house, we were really lucky here. You know, we've got some really good color renditions of each room laid out, and it shows us exactly where everything goes, how the placement goes. Sometimes we're not lucky enough to get a rendition, you know, as good as this. So, you know, there'll be some design engineering as we go, but this one really gives us a blueprint for this house. Hey guys, thanks again for stopping by with Baird Brothers. Next time you see us, we'll be finishing this place up.